Guess the animal. Series 1 Quiz 24. Crazy looking birds. Are you a crazy bird expert? Birds can be incredibly strange, with their bizarre appearances and behaviors that defy expectations. From bright neon feathers and elaborate crests to wild dances and peculiar calls, birds seem like nature's most whimsical creations. Some, like the shoebill stork, can stand motionless for hours, while others, like the patu, perfectly mimic a tree branch. Whether it's their strange diets, peculiar hunting tactics, or surreal courtship rituals, birds show us that the animal world is full of surprises and eccentric beauty. Let's play the Crazy Bird quiz now. Guess the bird. Watson, known as the stink bird. Its digestive system ferments leaves, making it smell like manure. Guess the bird. Shoebill stork. This large bird has a shoe-shaped bill and can stand motionless for hours while hunting. Guess the bird. Victoria crowned pigeon, the largest pigeon species. It sports a stunning crest of lacy feathers. Guess the bird. Resplendent quetzal, revered by the ancient Mayans. This bird's iridescent feathers are prized for their beauty. Guess the bird. Secretary bird. It hunts snakes by stomping on them with powerful legs. Guess the bird. Rhinoceros hornbill. Its unique casque atop its beak amplifies its calls in the dense forest. Guess the bird. Kiwi. This flightless bird from New Zealand has tiny wings but an incredibly strong sense of smell. Guess the bird. Great curassow. The males have a striking curly crest and are known for their booming calls. Guess the bird. Vulturine guineafowl. Its bright blue and black plumage, along with a vulture-like head, make it stand out among guineafowls. Guess the bird. Marabou stork, often called the Undertaker bird for its dark cloak of feathers. It scavenges like vultures. Guess the bird. Long-wattled umbrella bird. The male has an unusually long wattle hanging from its chest, used in courtship displays. Guess the bird. Inca tern. This seabird has a distinct white mustache on its face, giving it a distinguished look. Guess the bird. California condor, the largest North American land bird. It has a wingspan of nearly 10 feet. Guess the bird. Tawny frogmouth, masters of camouflage. These nocturnal birds blend perfectly into tree bark during the day. Guess the bird. Superb bird of paradise. The male performs an extraordinary display by spreading his feathers into a black oval, accented with a vibrant blue smile. Guess the bird. Patu. This nocturnal bird has a wide gaping mouth and can perfectly mimic a tree branch to avoid detection. Guess the bird. Blue-footed booby. Known for its bright blue feet, the male performs a high stepping dance to attract mates. Congratulations, you are now a crazy-looking bird expert. Are you ready for the next quiz? Like and subscribe for more fun games. Now let's play the next quiz.